welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing my second Erin Condren launch day order and my EC Austin pickup. So my first order was the Champagne Daily Agenda that has not come in yet, hasn't shipped yet. But my second order came in because they were both non-launch day items. So I'm going to share that first, and then I'm going to share the Daily Duo, the A5 Daily Duo. So first item in the order, I ordered the clear tote bag from Erin Condren. So I shared this on my Instagram stories. So if you follow me on Instagram, I apologize, but to give you an up close look, I bought the clear bag because I was going to just order the strap. So I was gonna buy this black and ivory strap in store, but they didn't have it in store. And then when I went online to go order it, it was a little over $20 more, and I got the tote, and I really like the tote. So with the tote you get to pick your whatever strap you want. So I just got the tote with the strap that I wanted, and then I have other straps too that I can use, but I just got these two. And so I wanted the strap to use on my camera, so I got a new camera. I'm waiting for my new tripod to come in. My fiance is actually installing a really nice tripod for me, and it's our anniversary gift. And then I'm going to start using my camera to record videos. Now I'm still on iPhone, but the camera is new and I really wanted a cute strap. So I grabbed these, and that was the only thing that I got in the order. I do want to show y'all what the tote looks like with an agenda inside, because I really like that combo. So here is my camel agenda that was sent to me in a PR package from Erin Condren. And then you can just easily put this in, and then you can see your agenda. So if you have the mid-century and you want to show off the mid-century and carry this with you, you can do that. If you want to show off your normal 7x9 planner, you can throw that in there and show off your interchangeable covers. All the A5, the agendas, and the 7x9s fit in here, and then you can show everything in your tote. So that is the tote. And then I picked up the Daily Duo in the A5 size. So I love A5 size. I'm really excited that Erin Condren now offers it. So when I picked this up at the Erin Condren store, I did get the free gift of purchases. So I got the pen and then the pouch. So let me show y'all both of those. So here is the pen. So it is a ballpoint pen. It's gold, and I don't remember what color they call this. I know it's not peach, but it's like a light pink, peachish pen, but it's just really cute. I'm gonna have this in my agenda just because I really love the design, and it's neutral. I also think this will look really nice inside of the blush agenda, because I just think with the blush interior, this would just look really nice. It still looks nice in all the other ones, but I just think it would complement it really well. But this is where I'm going to keep mine. But we have that, and then we have the new pouch. So it is a clear glitter pouch, or I should say frosted glitter pouch. So you can somewhat see what's inside. It has a metallic sheen to it. And then let me grab some of my pens. I'm gonna grab multicolored ones so you can see what they look like. So these are my Uniball pens. So I got like a brown, a taupe, and two blacks. And then this is what it looks like inside. So you can kind of see the color, and you'll know if something's in there. And then it just has a white strap, and then you can just place it over your agenda. You can place it over your laptop. These fit on really anything. So just in case y'all are curious, here's what it looks like on the agenda. And it's a good fit. Let me try and zoom out. But it fits fine. And then, so we have those, and those are the gift of purchases. And then I am really excited to share the A5 Daily Duo with you guys. So I got a strap with it. So the Daily Duo is called the Daily Duo because you get two planners, just because if you see how thick this is, that would be one like fat phone book if you were to get this all in one planner. And they're even thicker this year because Erin Condren is the first planner brand that I know of that their customers said they wanted a Saturday and Sunday to have a full time and to do. They don't want a consolidated view, and they did it. And this is one of the reasons why I love Erin Condren so much, is because they came out with the Daily Duo last year, and then they took in all the advice and changed it the following year so that people love it even more than they already did. So I'm gonna do a quick flip with y'all so y'all can see everything. So each planner gets a perpetual calendar, and then this Welcome to the EC Family kit, and it has the cards, it has 2 coupons, and then a couple of stickers. This is the July, so I'm going to show y'all this one. So you can choose the first cover that you want, and there's a select amount. Right now they don't have A5 interchangeable covers for option to alternate, so keep that in mind. And the second one comes with a mid-century cover. So you get to choose the first one. I chose the mid-century, so this might be a little confusing. But you get to choose your first cover, and then the second cover is a mid-century. And that's just because it's the design of the book. And then you only use one planner at a time. So if you don't want to use this, you can just switch them whenever you move into this agenda, or this planner. But let's take a look inside. And so again, this is the A5. And I just love the size so much. So the daily duos are broken down into 6 months. So you get 6 boxes, a 6 overview, and then some lines so you can keep track of what's going on. You have a full year for 2022 in here, and then you have a quote page, your monthly view with the tab on the month, and then a monthly overview. And so this is broken down into dot grid, lines. You have the beautiful mid-century circles in here. Same with the monthly view. That's one of the reasons why I love the mid-century circle so much, because I love where it's located. As you know, I wasn't a fan of layers, and kaleidoscope I wasn't a fan at first, but it grew on me, but I still would never want it to come back. Mid-century circles can keep coming back, and I will be perfectly fine with it. But after that, you get your pages. And again, every single day has its own full page. So you get 6 a.m. to 7 p.m. You have a blank box at the bottom, just in case there's something that goes past 7. And then you have your monthly overview. You have a blank spot. This is the one thing that I wish they did change. I really wish that they would move the calendar back down here like they had in their petite planners, I think is what it was. I don't like this up here. I feel like this is an awkward space, and I primarily use this for work, and I just wish that they would move this down here and have the to-do list up here, or make the to-do list longer and just have the month in here. But I'm glad they did this change with giving full weekends before they did this change, and maybe there wasn't enough people who this didn't affect them, but personally I don't like this here. That's the only complaint that I really have about the dailies. But just to show y'all a quick clip and so y'all can see what it looks like. I think there were a few questions about like the end of the months, and so I'm not sure how they did that. So we'll take a look at some of the end of the months. So let's take a look at July. So we have the 30th, 31st, and then you have a note page. So I think you just get an additional note page. Let's do August ends here, additional note page. Yeah, so you get so all of the days are behind the tab, and then if it doesn't end on the second page, then you get an additional note page. And so the like September days are in October. And so that's actually really nice, so you don't have to go looking around, everything's behind one tab. So I really like that they did that. C31 note page, November 30th goes all the way here, so you don't get that additional note page. But I really like that they did that. So that is the first 6 months. Get a note page, and then the daily duos come with a really pretty metallic sticker sheets, and then you get the monthly stickers. So we have that, and then that is the July through December, and then the January through June is going to be the same. And then you get the stickers and the half sheet again for in here. So that is the daily duo. This is the A5 size. So I think I'm definitely going to be an all A5 person, and the daily has become my favorite planning system that Erin Condren has. I just love the daily. I use this layout for work, and so I'm really excited to use this for work. And again, I have the agenda coming in with the daily mid-century circle, so I will share that when it comes in. But for these two, I will actually be giving these away. So all you have to do is subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. Leave a comment below that you subscribed in your Instagram handle, and then all entries will be verified. That is all you have to do. And make sure to leave your Instagram handles so that we can verify your entry, and so that way I can contact you on Instagram to get your information if you win. We will start this giveaway today, and then it'll end Saturday, May 15th. We'll do midnight, and then I will contact the winner that the 16th or the 17th via Instagram. So US entries only, just because I'm not sure what shipping looks like in the pandemic. But yeah, other than that, that is going to be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching.